So ngayon guys, ang gagayahin ko ngayon ay si Loliet, si L from Death Note. So guys, simulan na natin. Where am I? Is this the real world? A lot of things are on my mind. I may be young and innocent, but not ignorance. I can clearly see what present. I can only imagine life when the world was first created. A beautiful scene to be exploited, a dash of green, blue, and then add bright yellow sunshine that lights up the day. God gave us a world full of promise He wanted us to use it, take care of it, and make sure that there is plenty for everybody. The water is not blue anymore. The air we breathe is not healthy anymore. The forest that used to be rich and full, nowhere to be seen. Dead, denounced, destroyed. What happened to the promised land? How dare we ruin it? Look at it, people. Look at it. If the world could only speak, it will tell us how much it hurts. All of us can do something, but not everyone is willing to do it. Now I can imagine what if the future holds, living, hoping, and praying. The chances are getting thinner every time. Time is running out. We better do it or pay the price later.